We will need our elastic thread. This is 0.1 mm elastic thread. Then you need charms and jump rings, round nose plier, scissors, and then flat nose plier. This is a customized one, so I have my name block here. Okay, and then my African beads. So first of all, put the charm on the jump ring. So open the jump ring like that. And then I will insert the charm and then I will close it. Okay, now let's move on stringing the. To make your bracelet more secure, I will cut this short piece and then I will stretch it. So stretching it, you see that it will become longer than the length I cut before. Okay, I will put the two ends together and I will tie it. Now I will cut a very short fishing line. Then I will put it in between the elastic thread like this. Then I will start putting on my. So first I will put the name block on it, and then the jump ring or the charm, and I will start arranging it. Arranging it is totally your choice, how you want it to be. So I will pull all of them to the elastic thread and then I will start tying knots. Kindly subscribe if you haven't done that. After you feel that the knots are okay, you can cut your thread and then you secure it with a glue. But I don't have my glue here with me, so I will just cut the excess elastic thread. And here we are done with our elastic bracelet. it's not for me. Bye bye.